Hey, YF family. Hey, hey, hey. I'm coming to y'all today with a amount of potatoes, sausage, no, it look a mess, eggs, cheese, and sour cream. This is my breakfast. Breakfast. Feeling good today. I hope y'all feeling good today. And I got this jalapeno sauce. This is good. Put it on here. And then sauce it up there. You see it going on strong. And I got Diet Dr. K. KKK stands for Kroger. I'm finna get it in today. Hope y'all having a blessed and wonderful day. This is good. This is really good. Tell y'all have to try it. Look at that. And I got these eggs too. I forgot when I got to, you see these eggs. Look at that. Look at that. This is delicious. I put a little bit more of this on there. Got to give me some more when I was at the store this morning. So I'm running thin on it. Oh, shucks now. Look what we got. You know, it's good. It's good. Woo! Look who I got. Look who just came in the door. She feeling good this morning too. She move on over. We both can fit right on here. Don't be looking at me sideways, okay?
I ain't eat all mash, y'all.
We're not teeny boppers, okay?
I still got a little bit though.
Yeah. She wants to give y'all some special burps today too. Some burps. Try that jalapeno sauce. I'm telling you.
I got a little bit.
It's good.
I ain't even.
She was killing her.
Cause y'all didn't really get that much, okay? I just got a little bit.
No, she didn't. We all got the same.
Oh, damn.
Normally, I kind of cut up the potatoes and and then just let them simmer. But today I fried them. Like I'm cutting the French. Ain't as good with the onions and that.
This is good.
Good. Goody for your tummy. Yummy tummy. You got that yummy tummy? Yummy tummy? Ain't that green sauce good? I told them that jalapeno.
It tastes like a skillet. How she made it, y'all. Tastes like an actual skillet. That you would get from a restaurant. Mom, come on, man. I'm eating.
Since when? She belched in my face and she the one got me started farting.
You're not belching your face. I don't remember.
You don't remember that?
Nope.
See, she don't remember. She got memory lapse. She was the first person did that.
So.
I hope y'all enjoying this day. The weather is changing fast. Yesterday hot.
It was feeling good last night.
Right. Now today it's a little cool.
It's that sick weather.
Mm-hmm. You gonna give you something, man?
I'm straight.
So you full, ain't you?
Mm-hmm.
So stop talking stuff. I took the sausage I cooked them, I broke them all up in here. Just like they do at the restaurant. Same thing. Hmm? It's a strain. It's because you ain't been doing it.
No.
It's a strain. Look at her, straining. She got tears in her eyes over here.
I ain't been burping, y'all.
Some good burp. Damn. Shut your mouth.
This Diet Coke.
No, this Dr. K. Okay?
Y'all with Dr. K. Make you burp. And then that burp, y'all know that one burp that just be stuck on top of your stomach.
It's stuck right there.
Mm-hmm.
Right there, right there. Right there, right there. Right there. I'm just blessed this morning. I'm feeling good. I was looking on Facebook earlier. I felt so sad for this guy. He was sitting there playing, I take this 40 to your memory.
But she was laughing at him though.
At first I was until I realized that he was hurting. I didn't know. I did not know. I don't know why. But he was sitting there at first and he was just as calm. He just sitting there. I'm like, look at him. All of a sudden he got to crying. I'm like, wow. The things that people go through. And then they put on this sad music. It makes you feel even worse. God.
That was the burp that was stuck on top of my stomach. Woo!
Ooh, it feel like I got to go. I got the bubble guts.
Ooh-wee. I'm groovy.
I got to stop eating. My stomach's starting to hurt a little bit here. It's just sour cream. I'm lactose intolerant. My kids be laughing at me. I ain't bringing up, I know we eating, but they be laughing at me. Mom, what is you doing? You straining? Stomach just tore up.
Well, what? You trying to end the video now? You gotta go took that.
No, I can't eat it. I'm going to keep on going as long as I can. But it seems like it's right there. You know how to be right there and you got to clench. And your stomach and it moves fast on me. The older that you get. What else can do though?
You still eating.
Special K gonna have to
Talk about some Special K. You be like Bright.
Like Bright gonna have to. Cause I got to run to the toilet. It's the first time.
No, she she just had to go to the bathroom. But yeah. Y'all, I know y'all probably like, why she dressed up? Well, I'm going to open interview today, you know. So y'all bless me. That's blessed that I get this job. Well, wish me good luck. I mean, well, I shall be blessed though at the same time, you know. But yeah, I ain't never no earrings like this before. My mom, I remember she told me she used to wear hoops like these back in the day. My head already big. I gotta stop with my damn bag. Y'all, this burp is literally stuck at the top of my stomach. But yeah, I wish I had a necklace. I would have topped it off. I need that button this morning. Okay, that look much better. I gotta put my scarf on, y'all. This weather is just crazy. It's just changing. We've only been on here 10 minutes. Okay. That ain't bad. But I think I'm finna keep on burping. Because I'm in a burping mood, you know. Because you know, first she got the bubble gut, so she got to hurry run to the bathroom. Yeah. But I might grant y'all a wish though. I might go ahead and burp in each other's faces. Probably be a burping contest. You know, me and her probably just be face to face, but we'd be burping in each other's faces. So y'all know that it's real, you know. But y'all know I'm gonna win because you know I'm best at what I do. I mean, I does this. You hear me? I mean, I might be a little rusty because I ain't doing it in so long, but I does this though. So, yeah. I know y'all just heard the toilet flush. She had the bubble guts. Now she's spraying. Now here she comes. She coming back, y'all.
Shut up. Whew, it's the first time for everything. That one right there, one finna hold. Whoo, Lord have mercy. I'm sorry about that. It's almost time. I know, I hope I ain't
I was just telling them that we might have a little burping contest. We'll be face to face. We'll be burping in each other's faces.
Yeah, when we gonna do that? It's up to her.
We could do it today, later on the day. We could do it tomorrow. We could do it later on the day.
Okay. Sounds good, don't it? Sounds real, real good.
She don't believe me, y'all.
Nope. Oh, trust me. I be trying to get her on here with me. Somebody she busy. She got things to do. Somebody she got things to do. Mm-hmm. She giving y'all some good burps today.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all
I ain't sick no more.
Mm-mm.
I'm all good now.
She been well.
I was just telling them that I'm a little rusty, but you know.
You're a little rusty.
But
no, you doing right.
I still got the title as Queen of the Burps.
I don't know about Queen, because Queen always would come on here. Tell her. Y'all tell her down below. If she the queen, she will always come on here and do the videos with her mama. Tell her stop looking at me at the corner of her eye. Before I stick her in her eye with this fork. Mm-hmm.
Now my stomach hurt.
Now your stomach hurt. This is sour cream. This is jalapeno. No, that gives you a good cleaning out.
I shouldn't have put the jalapeno on
That jalapeno is good though.
Yeah, but it ain't worth my stomach hurting though.
But y'all know I'm in between this grace period of 15 minutes. Mm-hmm.
So, I wish you guys, you know, tell your peoples to join the Yo Faith family. You know, get some more subscribers.
Thumbs up, likes. We love y'all. And y'all have a blessed day. And we'll see y'all later.